Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen, and I'm back with a good deal for you guys today. So, I'm going to go ahead. This is what I actually purchased, but there's another way to do the deal where it's absolutely free. So, I'm going to go into the store and show you guys what can be absolutely free, even though I didn't do that because I wanted and needed a different product. So you guys are going to need to get your Ibotta apps downloaded. If you don't have Ibotta downloaded, it's okay. I'm going to put the link in the description box, and you can just click on the link, go ahead and set your account up. And if this is your first time using Ibotta, you're going to get another $10 on top of the rebates for what we get today. So get that out, and then you're going to need your inserts because you're going to have to use the buy one get one free, the BOGO stem coupon. Okay guys, so as you can see, we are in CVS in the aisle with all of the insect repellent, the bug spray, and things like that. Now, I don't know how your store is set up, but with my store, they're set up in two different places. In with the household stuff, and then in with the seasonal. So this is where I'm at with the seasonal. So we're going to look at the stem products. So there's a BOGO coupon for stem, buy one get one free, up to $8. We're going to use that coupon, and it's good on any of these stem products. So that's why I'm showing you all of them. So it's up to you which one you want to get, but you can only get up to $8 back for the BOGO coupon. So all of these are more than $8, but at least you're going to get $8 back. Now, this is also a part of a deal which you won't see tagged in my store because my store took the tags down yesterday, Friday, because they make sure that the store is tagged Saturday by like 6-7 o'clock for the next week's deals. So this is actually a part of a spend deal. Spend 20 in certain household products, bug repellent, and get $5 back in extra bucks. So if you did the deal where you spent where you got the Scott paper towels and the Scott toilet paper, because it included that, it included Raid, Cottonelle, Kleenex, Scott baby Ganex, all of that was included, then you're not going to be able to do this deal because it's a only one-time deal. You can only do it once on each card. But I wanted to do this deal because I really wanted some of these stem products. So if you get the stem products that are $10.99 or that are $9.79, then this deal would be just about absolutely free for you, because you can grab two of those and then use your BOGO coupon, which is going to take off $8, but then you're going to get $5 back in extra bucks, and then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, and Ibotta is going to give you $6.99 back. So make sure you get the ones that are $9.99, and I know my store carries the mosquito, the stem for mosquitoes. So if you get two of those, that's going to come to $19.98. Then you're going to get a $5 back in bonus cash, because most stores follow the 98% rule. So that's more than 98% if you spend $19.98. So you're going to get $5 back from Ibotta. $5 back in extra bucks. You're going to get $8 back for the off for the coupon, and then you're going to get $6.99 from Ibotta. That makes this a 1-cent money maker. So guys, I didn't do that deal. I grabbed the fruit fly killer, fruit fly trap, free spray, whatever you want to call it, but that was only $9.29. So if you bought 2 of these, that's not going to get you up to the 98% rule or get you to $20. So you have to get something else. So I grabbed some Scott paper towels, which were only $5.99 to get me to the $20. So this wasn't a moneymaker for me, but it was still a great deal. But I at least wanted to show you guys how it could be a moneymaker for you. Now, if you get the other products that are $10.49, then it won't be a moneymaker, but you'll only pay like maybe 99 cents out of pocket, which is still an excellent deal for STEM products or insect repellent or insect killer, whatever you want to call it. So you decide how you want to do the deal, but this is how I did it, and it wasn't a moneymaker, but it was a good deal. So you see, this is what I end up getting. So let me show you my receipts. So I have 2 receipts, okay? So I'm going to show you there's the 2 insect repellents or the fruit fly stuff, whatever you want to call it. Everyone's calling it something different. And then here you see I got the $8 off for my coupon. That's the first thing, okay? Then on this receipt, I bought the Scott paper towels. I had $1 off digital coupon, so that came to $4.99. And then here you see I got my $5 back in extra bucks. And here, this is what I'm saying, that you can see that if you did the Scott deal, Cottonelle, Kleenex, any of that, then you can't do this deal, okay? So my out-of-pocket ended up being $3.58, which I'm totally happy with, because the 2 repellents for the fruit flies was $9.29, and then the paper towels came down to $4.99 after my $1 digital coupon. Then I got back $6.99 from Ibotta. I got back $5 in extra bucks, and $8 off for the coupon. So that's my deal, guys. But just to let you know, this coupon already expired. It expired on June 4th. So if your store takes expired coupons, you have until tomorrow to do this deal. But if I were you, I would do it today, because I'm not sure if the deal is on with the spend 20, get $5 back tomorrow. It's not in the ad, but that doesn't mean that it's not on. And like I said, my store wasn't tagged, so I'm not sure. So if I were you, I would go out and do this deal today. Thank you guys for tuning in. Come back and let me know what you end up getting. Did you get the insect repeller? Did you get the ant killer? Did you get the fruit fly killer? Let me know what you got. Let me know what your out-of-pocket was. And until the next time, keep on saving.